Hello friends, this is Raj Sastry from Raj Option Trading. Today is March 6, 2022. Market is very volatile, so we got to look at profitable growth companies with huge cash pile. So with that, in today's segment, we'll look at companies with volume more than 1 million. These are very liquid stocks. Quick ratio more than 1. That means they have enough money to cover short-term liabilities. Altman Z score more than 2. That means these companies are not candidate for bankruptcy. They got nice solid financials, and these are beaten down stocks you can buy right now. RSI or relative strength index is less than 45, and they got huge cash pile. They have cash on the balance sheet more than $1 billion, and free cash flow is more than $5 million. That means they generate the cash. So with that, when the market is tough, we got to go after quality and buy these beaten down stocks. You will have a nice pleasant surprise in a year from now. So with that, let's jump in. Look, we got a list of stocks here. Keep watching the cash they have here. We got here cash. All these companies got cash more than $1 billion. And also keep watching the sales and sales growth here. All these companies have got nice sales, and more importantly, sales growth. These are the growth companies, and they're growing nicely. And look, they got nice gross margin as well as net margin. These companies are making money and keeping the money that they make at the end of the day with the nice profit margin. And keep watching here. We got free cash flow. All these companies generate cash, every quarter, every year. These are cash generating companies. And look, from an Altman Z score, which is a industry recognized score for companies' financial stability. The score is more than 2. That means these are solid companies. They will do very well financially. And we got Piotrowski F score, which is one of my favorite indicator that tells you how is the book doing on an ongoing basis. The moment you see Piotrowski F score 6, 7, 8, those are solid. The books are solid from a couple of years. That's why those are solid companies. And finally, we compare the company to its respective industry and see if it is good from a profitability, growth, as well as a valuation perspective. As you can see here, most of these companies do well in the industry from a profit perspective. Few companies are a little bit pricey. As an example, you got Tesla, a little bit high from a valuation perspective compared to industry. And also we got Restoration Hardware or RH, a little pricey from a valuation perspective. And we got one more here, which is Copart, also a little pricey when you compare it to the industry. So with that, let's jump in and look at few stocks. And one more thing also I want to mention, look, all these companies have done great in 5-year time frame. That tells you, in the long run, these companies will do well. And right now, with all the geopolitical tension, in the short run, they're in a trouble. As you can see here, from 1 day, 10 day, 1 month, 6 month, many of these are down. That's why I want to make sure the long-term theory is intact by looking at 5-year, and I want to make sure the solid fundamentals with nice cash and nice free cash flow, and also nice score from a financial perspective. These stocks intrigue me. You can buy this and hold for a long time. So top of the list is Tesla. As you can see here, Tesla is a great stock. They're doing very well with the able leadership of Elon Musk. RSI is 44. Tells you stock is a bit down here. All these stocks have got RSI below 45. That tells you stocks are beaten down here. Valuation is a little high compared to the industry here. That's why you could wait a little bit on this one, but it's a good one to buy. Look, PS ratio is a little bit high. That's why you can slowly buy on its way down, but don't buy a lot because it's a little bit pricey when you look at industry valuation. And then you got a few more here. We got here RH, same story. But I would look at stocks like NVDA here. NVDA is a great one. You could buy, if you don't want to buy too much, you could buy one or two. It's an industry leader when it comes to profitability and growth. It's number one, and valuation is middle of the road here. You could buy this great stock here, along with AMD is also a great one here under leadership of Lisa Su. This will also do very well. Look, nice overall score of 95. It's even scored better than NVIDIA here. And then we got a few more, as you can see here. Look, we got UMC, which is very low price stock. For the folks who don't want to spend too much money, this is a quality stock with a very low price. You could buy and sock it away. You will do great. They got about $1 billion free cash flow here, as you can see, and they got $5 billion on their balance sheet. A great company to buy here. And then we got a few more here. We got ASML. Look at nice profit margin, 32%. You could buy this quality stock here. Look, they're number one from a profitability, number one from growth perspective, number four from valuation perspective. And then you got Microsoft here under able leadership of Satya Nadella. Look at the cash they have. They got $125 billion of cash. You don't need to worry about them. If the market drops, they will scoop up a few more companies like they've scooped up Activision Blizzard. And look at the free cash flow. They're generating a ton of free cash flow here. No need to worry. Look at the books. It's very solid. Number 8 along with ASML here. I would be buying Microsoft here. Got a low RSI, as you can see here. And we got a few more here. I love Lam Research. Again, a great stock here. You could buy this one also. And keep watching the overall score here. Higher the better. We got one more here with nice overall score. Align Technology. This will help folks to make their teeth look good. Great company. Stock has been dropping off late. Look here. They got nice benchmark against the industry. Top leader in the industry here. And then we got Viva. Viva is a health information technology company. Stock got clobbered when they announced the earnings. I would be a buyer of this one here. It's a great one to buy here. And I got a few more, as you can see here, all great ones. Keep watching. I love KLA Tencor or KLA. It's a great one to buy at these level. Look, 83 overall score. And we got a few more here. We got Arista Network, which is a great routing and networking stock. Look at the overall score here, 95. It's a great one to buy here. They announced a nice earnings beat last time, but look right now, RSI is 43. Stock is clobbered. It's a great one to buy and hold it. And then you got a few more here. CPRT, a little bit high on valuation, but you could buy Intuit, Adobe, ANET, all this work here, great ones here. And we've got a few more. Chipotle Mexican Grill is also one of my favorite. You could buy that one also. And we got CMG and Thermo Fisher. Both are great ones to buy here. All right. So let's look at a few more and then conclude. Look at the continuation. All these companies are done great in a 5-year time frame, as you can see here. Nice performance, nice cash position, as you guys can see here. They generate ton of free cash flow on a quarterly, yearly basis. Look, few companies have got a lot of money. Look at Google here. Google has got a lot of money, $139 billion of cash in their balance sheet. You could buy it. Look, Tip Top Financials here. Pietro's KF score is 8. And also MasterCard, one of my favorite. You could buy this one also. Great Pietro's KF score tells you books are very good here. And we got a few more with nice overall score. Look, we got Nice, which is company name is Nice. It's a nice stock. Look, overall score is 95. You could buy that one also here. And we got a few more, as you can see here. I would say look at this list here. Don't worry about the market. Market will turn around. But if you buy these quality companies, you will do very well. Look, we got EPAM, which got beaten down, as you can see here, with all the worries about Ukraine, Russia. Stock got clobbered. If you're a long-term buyer, you could buy EPAM and go from there. And we got quality stock like Accenture here. You don't get Accenture at this type of sale here. You could buy this great company at this sale. Look at the RSI for Accenture below 40. It's a great one to buy at these levels here. I also like Qualcomm, which is a great one to buy at these levels. They will do great. Nice overall score, as you can see here. And we got Mark Benioff's company, CRM or Salesforce.com. I like it. They had a nice quarter. And also Visa is a great one to buy at these levels here. And we got a few more, as you can see here. I would say take a look at these stocks here. Don't worry about the market. And the market drops, go after quality. So with that, thank you very much. Happy investing and trading. Please subscribe.